Who would have thought that you could use one of the easiest ways to make money online with Google News? Because we're not going to be selling anything. This is not affiliate marketing. We don't need to create Shopify dropshipping stores. We don't need to sell any products, and we don't need to copy and paste links everywhere. This is actually very easy to do, and this is something that won't pay just a couple of cents or $1 or $2 or $1 here and there. This actually pays good money. Specifically, anywhere between $150 and even up to $2,000 per Google News posts. I do need to be transparent with you. This is not going to be a matter of copying and pasting or just taking a Google News article, putting it into a witch pot and suddenly generating a whole bunch of money online. It doesn't work like that. There's a couple of things that we need to do, and also this is process of submission. However, there's no limits to the amount of times you can use Google News to submit and make money with that. Sometimes you can use Google News with a strategy, but it might not work, as the company that's going to pay you maybe sometimes will decline your offer or your post. But like I said, you can just post again and try something different until you get paid. But what I'm also saying is this is not just going to be magic and be successful every time, but it's literally just a free couple of minutes that you can watch throughout this video. Try it yourself and see if it works. If it works, great. You make your couple of $100, even maybe over $1,000 online, and you walk away happy. If it fails, don't give up, just try again. I also wanted to announce something special to you guys, only you guys watching this video. So right now I'm going to do something special, and I'm going to take 95% off the Drop Servicing University program, only for those that watch this video. So what you need to do is you need to use this coupon on the screen over here, click on the first link in the description, enter that on the checkout, and it will take 95% off. But for those people out there that never saw this video, you obviously won't get this discount. So well done to you if you decided to click and watch this video, you get this exclusive discount. So in order to get all of that, first link in the description, enter this coupon on the checkout, and I'll see you on the inside. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey over here on YouTube on how I make money online through various different strategies ranging from drop servicing, affiliate marketing, article writing, copywriting, digital marketing, soon to be trading, drop shipping, and all sorts of ways to make money online. So if you want to get tons of free content on the daily, make sure to click on the subscription button down below with the red notification bell on, so that I can send you a personal notification every time I upload an epic video just like this one. But quickly, before we get started, this is the winner of the $40 giveaway from yesterday's video. Well done to you. I can see you put a lot of effort into counting how many times I said the word property. This video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to give you a brand new ebook that will teach you 28 secrets on how to lose weight. All jokes aside, the actual giveaway that I'm going to give you is an entire Make Money on Fiverr Mastery course. This will teach you how this lady on Fiverr made $24,000 in her first year, outsourcing and selling different gigs on Fiverr, ranking your Fiverr gigs, and turning Fiverr into an entire profitable business for yourself. This course is completely for free. It will be sent directly to your email. You don't have to pay for it. I've bypassed the checkout for you. In order to get this giveaway, you just need to leave a like on this video. You have to be subscribed with the red notification bell on. I can see if you've done that. Comment down below something positive, some kind of motivational quote or something inspirational, and I'll reply to your comment with the link to this page. So this giveaway is actually going to all of you. I'm not going to do a cash giveaway where only one of you get from it. I'm going to give this to every single viewer. So make sure to go and do those 3 steps so you can go and claim your giveaway. But without further ado, let's get straight into making money online with Google News. Firstly, Google News can be used for multiple tools. If you're a trader, it's a great way to identify news, especially with currency pairs, and you can kind of maybe identify with the news what the markets are going to do. But this is not going to be about trading. That's just a little bit of insight and something I use with trading as well. But did you know you can actually use the content on this website to make money online? It's actually super easy. So when you head over to news.google.com, that's on the screen over here, you'll be prompted on the screen with relative news in your local country. So most of the news articles on this website is relative to South Africa because I'm from South Africa, but you can actually filter by different countries. But it doesn't really matter what country you're actually in. And you'll find if you scroll down, there are tons of different articles coming out per hour. Every single hour, there's brand new news coming out that we can all go and use to make money online. Now, this website is always pumping out new news articles, new news and content that we can use, so you will never run out. And over here, if you have a look on the left, you've got mainly these categories over here: world, your local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. The main three that we are going to use is business, technology, and world news. Now you're probably wondering, how on earth are we going to use these different categories and articles on Google News to make money? It's actually a very simple process and not complicated at all. At the end of this video, you're going to be like, okay, wow, that is actually pretty easy. I'm going to try this. So over here, I've clicked on the business category. You can see various different articles in the business category. And you can go through various subcategories in the business category. You've got latest, economy, markets, jobs, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. The one I like to choose is entrepreneurship. And these are the articles we can go and leverage to make money with Google News. Now take a look at this. Over here is a brand new website, sites that will pay you to write about business and money. This one website will pay you $125 per post. This other website will pay you $200 per article. This was the one that I got paid from, which you saw in the payment proof at the beginning of this video. You want to click on both of these websites: e-commerce insiders, open link in new tab, and I work well, link in new tab. And this is I work well, subject matter experts to write and edit instructional articles. The profile of a successful I work well SME. All you need is the proven ability to write business style communications accurately and clearly. They generate outlines followed agreed upon the article outlines to produce between 1,500 and 3,500 words. All you need as well is proficiency in Microsoft Word and track change features. So you just need to know how to type in Microsoft Word. Responsive availability to accept agreement assignments and meet turnarounds between 5 to 7 days. Take a look at your compensation. $195, your stellar article provides the best guidance and most current information available on the topic. It required little or no subsequent modification. $155, you wrote the article from scratch or completely rewrote it from existing articles or drafts. It was substantial, tangible improvement. $115, you wrote the article from scratch or completely rewrote it from existing articles or draft. It was current and thorough but required considerable subsequent modification. $75, you updated and improved the article by heavily rewriting some sections, retaining the framework. $50, you reviewed the article for accuracy and completeness and made some improvements. For $20, you reviewed the article for accuracy and completeness, verified it was very good. You can also get an extra 20% for unusually difficult topics and very complex articles, and extra 10% for submitting an article on or before the deadline. So for example, if you do a stellar job, get paid $195. On complex article, an extra $39. Before the deadline, extra 10%. You will earn a total of $257.40 from this website. Now you don't have to worry about writing your complex articles or any of these degrees where you have to do all this journalism. This over here is where Google News has all of the work for you. So we can go and choose why creativity is your most important skill. This is a popular article right now on Google News. We can open this up and take a look at this. Here's an entire article we can go and use to make money with on these business websites such as I Work Well and Ecom Insiders, which is the other website that pays you between $75 and $150 for an article. But do remember, we can't just go and copy our article word for word. We need to rewrite it into our own words and make it as if it's our own. Now you don't have to sit late nights reading through this article, retyping it into your own words and anything like that. I've got your back. Over here is an amazing tool that I often use myself to write articles and content into my own words, called Spinbot. Now Spinbot is a tool that will automatically rewrite text into your own words. Now take a look at this. If I come back to our article over here, why your creativity is your most important skill, let's take the first paragraph over here. And I right click, copy this, come back to Spinbot, paste your text in the first square over here. Just click on the check I am a human and fill out these pictures. Reaching our maximum creative potential in our jobs or occupations is paramount. Arriving at our most extreme imaginative potential in our positions or occupations is vital to progress and carrying on with a satisfying and significant life. And the first one says to success and living a fulfilling and meaningful life. So as you can see, this article is good quality. It's been rewritten into our own words. Now just to double check this is important, copy this new rewritten text, come over to Google and search for a tool called Grammarly. Grammarly is a tool that will autocorrect typos, grammar errors, and and fix the sentence into correct English. So over here we can click on the Grammarly free writing assistant, log in with your account, click on new project over here, paste your text over here, just click on done, and you want to go and select these yellow words. So these yellow words is either faulty parallelism or the wrong word choice, and our most needs to change to the most over here. So here you can see Grammarly will automatically correct the grammar of your sentences. Now what you want to do is you want to do this for each and every paragraph in this article. Once you're done with this entire article, copy it of Spinbot into Grammarly. You want to copy your done for you paragraphs that have been created, come over to Word over here or any kind of Google Documents or some kind of word editor, paste your paragraphs and build your brand new article that has been rewritten and all the grammar corrected into your own words. So this is literally how we turn Google News articles like this into our own words into a money-making machine. This website over here where you can go and find all of these articles to get paid is called Money Pantry. I will leave the link on the screen over here, moneypantry.com/get paid to write. Over here, you can do this for so many different categories. You can go and do vacation and travel as well. So if I come back to Google News, this should be travel. I'm assuming this would fall under the world sections. Over here, you can see this is some travel news over here. If you want to come do some more, come back to Get Paid Pantry over here. Go and talk about, for example, politics, news and entertainment. So I'm sure Google News over here has politics. That would fall under your local news, which mostly would be local politics. So we can go and write about that. You can also write a lot about sports and outdoor that are paying anywhere between 20 cents per word to $800 per article, even sometimes up to $1,250 per article on all of these websites over here that are paying you to write about sports and outdoors. So all you do is use the same strategy that I showed you. Just come over to the sports section over here and you can go and use all of these sports sections. Since the Olympics is quite a popular topic right now, you can go and use some of this Olympics content over here. Click on the actual article, go and take each and every paragraph just like this, right click, copy it, come back to Spinbot, repaste it over here and click on go again so that it rewrites into your own words. Copy this back to Grammarly, paste it over here, and you'll see over here this is already no issues found, so you don't have to worry about this article that's been rewritten. It's already been fixed for you in your own words. But I always recommend proof check your work with Grammarly to make sure there's no spelling and typing errors. But guys, what I'm going to quickly do is before I go, just to remind you of that giveaway on the screen that I showed you in the beginning of this video, you just need to comment down below, leave a like and subscribe with the red bell on, comment something inspirational and I'll reply to your comment with that giveaway. And on the screen over here, I'm going to leave an epic video that I posted last week that you guys really seem to be enjoying. It will teach you how I made $11,000 this year so far using unlimited adverts, how you can post unlimited ads, get tons of traffic every single day, and I've generated $11,000 from scratch with these unlimited ads. So make sure to click on this video over here and I'll see you there.